$2.5 million on this private jet and had 11 YouTubers put their hands on it. Whoever keeps their hand on the longest wins the private jet. But if at any point they take their hand off, they're eliminated.
The challenge has officially started. The rules are simple. You can't push someone, and yeah, that's it.
I've got nothing on the schedule. I can stay here forever.
I am willing to do anything, including crap my own pants.
I heard there was going to be a lot of loud and obnoxious people on this shoot.
No joke, the winner of this challenge is getting a private jet.